Peeling garlic, it's not an easy thing. It's a little bit difficult. But when you eat a garlic pickle, it's so good. My recipe is a little bit of fusion of Kerala and Andhra Pradesh. So it's a beautiful combination of flavors. So don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. How to peel garlic easily. The tips are available in my channel. We need 500 grams of garlic cut into small pieces like this, if it's big only. Onto a pot, 1 cup of ginger oil. Add the garlic. And let it fry. Drain all the oil. Remove. Just cut a cup of garlic into a blender. Blend it to a fine paste. Set it aside. Onto a pot, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek, 1 tablespoon of mustard seed. On a very low heat, dry roast it. Stir continuously. Cool it down. Onto a blender. Pulse it just 3 times. It should be kosher. Onto the same pot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, 2 pieces of dry red chilies, 1 tablespoon of fine chopped ginger, few curry leaves, 25 grams of bird eye chilies. Saute for a minute. Keep the spices onto the sides. Onto the oil, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 4 teaspoons of chili powder. Combine well. Mix with all the spices and saute for a minute. Add the garlic paste. Combine well. Add half cup more ginger oil. Saute for a minute. Add the fried garlic and the spices we ground. 1 tablespoon of asafoetida. Well combine. Cook for a minute. Add 1 cup of vinegar and salt to taste. Combine well. Add 1 tablespoon of jaggery. Combine well. On a very low heat, let it cook and oil starts floating on the top. Turn off the flame. Cool it down completely. Transfer to a glass container. Always use a dry spoon, and on top of the pickle, oil should be there for a longer time. The garlic pickle, it's ready. It's in the traditional pot. Just enjoy and eat. So store it and eat it every day with rice. This is a beautiful combination of flavors. Don't miss out to give me support by subscribing my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye. this recipe? Have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Just make sure